You are no more doing that thing properly. Stop guessing and count and be accurate with what you are doing.
Hmm?
You need to check. That means you probably didn't put enough space or you didn't accurately measure where L is. So you need to check what you are doing.
Restart. So to make it look better.
What did you say?
Should I restart to make it look better?
No, just finish it now. It must not be
Okay.
perfect. Just finish it. Careful. 34 plus 6 is not 41 now. You're the one that is putting yourself in trouble. If you add 6 to 34, it's not 41. So that's 41. You actually gave that guy an extra one. So that means, so you see, if you now go and put 42 for that one, you will see that you would have shot yourself in the leg, that the thing will not work well.
Then that means I have to use 41 again.
That's what it means.
Oh, so 50, 53. Okay, so this is 53. And then 3 times 57. Okay.
You are messing this thing up. I don't like to see those spaces before it. That means you are not timing it well. You have made that mistake severally now, 3 times in a row. Correct yourself. I don't want to be seeing that space before the words. And of course, overshooting it means that there's a space after. It's not that you're not seeing it. I want to be seeing the words exactly, because that means that you're getting it exactly where it starts. So you have to redo buy and new. Buy and new. The one for buy is not correct.
No, let me restart it. I've already written it on my hand and in my book.
You've already written it in your book.
Yes.
So why are you not following what is in your book now?
No. Like I've written everything that we've done. Like yeah, in my book. So I'm thinking I should just start again and I could just start writing.
Wait. What did you write in your book? Did you write the correct one or the wrong one?
No, I only wrote till separated.
So you want to start from the beginning?
Yes, because I already written it. So it will be easier.
Yeah, now start from the beginning. Start from the beginning. Are you opening a new editor?
Yes, sir. Okay.
You have to be careful now. Make sure that it's just exactly one space in between them.
It's, oh,
What happened to is?
I think it's going.
You skipped is.
No, I forgot to put years. But let us do years. So it to be 4, that's so it to be 5, and then 7. Yeah, then it is 8 and 10, and then it should be 11 and 17. Oh, 11 and 17. Twenty and 24.
Careful.
Oh, sorry, no.
Where did you
Oh,
get 24
that's
from?
29.
Multiple.
No, 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 sorry. That's 29. So the next one,
It was
30.
28. It was 28. It wasn't 29. You overcounted. You overshot it. It was 28. Count how many letters are in multiple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you add 8 to 20, it should be 20, 28. So if you are going to any other, if you do 30 now, you are going to miss the first letter. I can assure you that.
Okay. Mm.
Now, you see the letters in the word separated. It's not properly spelled. But just make sure that you count exactly what you have there. If not, you will mess it up. So count based on what you have there.
I spelled separated wrong.
Uh-huh. So just count it based on what you have there.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 48.
You not put
Oh,
the distance.
yeah, I forgot to put it. I probably removed it by accident. Okay, 49, 49, 2, 51. Okay.
All right, quickly go to the second one. I think there are 3 questions. Please be careful as you are typing so that you type the correct thing.
Yes, sir. Oh. Okay. Oh.
Did you read the question at all?
Oh. It's plus 00. Oh.
The question said complete the code below so that we have this output. Then they now said, here is the code for you to
Oh,
complete.
I
So
didn't
that's
see.
what that means you should have that code there, then complete it. You are giving some clue.
Oh, it's gone. Okay. So far. What? So 0. Sir,
Yes, please.
how do you do the plus plus?
Which one is plus plus?
It says because it's plus plus 0.000005
You've
plus
forgotten how to
plus.
get plus plus.
Yes.
And you said it should split on 0. Does it look like it is splitting on based on 0?
No,
So why are you using 0?
a zero and cut and plus one.
Do you understand the meaning of split at all? Do you understand the meaning? I told you split from the last class. Split is like it will look for part of the string to cut the string at those places. How many zeros do you have here? You only have 0 towards the end, and the 0 is not even coming between those things. You should look for the character that is coming between the words that you're looking for. That's what you should look for. Then the plus plus, you say you don't know how the plus plus is gotten.
No,
Eh?
yeah, I don't know.
The plus plus is gotten by using center now. Center method. That's how it is gotten. Using the center method. No, you cannot call it on that. The center method will have to be called on word, not on that one. You call the center method on that one, that's the whole thing. It's not going to work. It's on word inside the for loop. That's why you call it. Look at the code. The question has given you enough clues. You're not even doing it on your own, entirely on your own. Follow the clues that the question gave you. Can you hit enter and go to the next line so that you can type print and start and find what is in between? Where did you get that extra parenthesis from? You have to
Oh,
type that line again. Don't know where you got an extra parenthesis. Ah, you are inside the for loop. You don't know that it should be indented. Seriously. See, you are inside the for loop now. Is it drill you should be working on? I've said that thing before. Drill is the whole thing. It's words that you should be working on so that you achieve those effects on each of them. Use your intelligence to help you. If you type this thing, you will mess it up.
not working.
It's not working.
Doesn't show.
Have we not done code on center before so that you can go and open the code and see how you called center and see how the method is. What is the first argument, comma, the second argument? Haven't we done codes on that?
Yes.
Then go and open it now. You can, it doesn't mean you don't have to close this one. Go and check your system where you saved it, that folder on desktop. You will see it. Open it and look at how it was called. I think it was on your desktop. I don't know where you saved it. Hmm.
Can't find it.
Look out for the one that has the name string method now. It's not just anyone you can start opening. Look out for the one that has string method. The one that you just opened now, I saw center in it.
Okay.
You need to be more careful when you're looking at things.
This is the wrong one. Where?
Look at center there now. Scroll down. Simeon, I can't believe it. You type this code, though. Yeah, I'm the one that is finding things for you in the code.
Okay, yeah. Okay. What did you not save?
What happened?
It didn't. I tried to control C it, but no work.
Uh-uh. Can't you memorize this thing? Just call center. The first argument is the number of characters. The second argument is the what do you call it? Is the character that you want to use and fill up the space. You cannot memorize that.
Okay, so I did it.
Uh-uh. What happened? Did you not see there are two arguments? You now deleted one. You think that you don't need that first one. That first one is the number of spaces you will have. So it's a number that is expected there.
Mm,
So how many spaces will be needed? Go and look at the question. It will tell you. You see each of them. The has a fixed number of spaces. How many spaces are expected there? How many
what do you
characters are
mean?
there? That's what. How many characters are there in each of them?
4.
4. It's
No,
more than
8.
4 now.
It's
When you
8.
put the plus signs, it's more than
It's,
4. So what do
it's
you
8.
have?
8.
It's 8. Good. So you have 8. Uh-huh. So after that, what happens next? You can see there's a Z field somewhere. So that means it's not just center that you're going to put. There's a Z field somewhere. So you have to also add Z field after you have done center. No, I think you do it, you should do Z field before you do center. Anyway, anyone should work. No, which one should work? The Z field should come before center.
Mm, so,
Yes.
so it's
I said the Z field should come before the center.
uh,
So it should be word.z field before you now do your dots. Why did you not delete it? You would have just put your cursor in front and typed your Z field. So the Z field now, what should be the argument there?
is you.
How do we call Z field? When you looked at that code that which you had sent, I think there was one that had Z field, but you don't even need to open it. How do we usually call Z field? Hmm? You have also forgotten what Z field does. See why I
Mm-mm.
always say check your code. Always go back to look at the code. Don't just save and then close the system and shut down. Look at the code. If you had been doing that now, we won't be in this situation. Z fill is just like center. The only difference is that the default filling is 0, the character 0. So just specify how many spaces you need, and then it will fill the rest with 0. How many spaces, if you look at that thing, how many spaces does Z fill need?
Mm. 6.
6. You are guessing. Are you asking me, or you are sure of what you're saying?
Yes, 6.
It's 6. Look at what you have on WhatsApp. That's what will tell you what should be there. It's what you have on WhatsApp that should tell you what should be there. Look at 5, for instance. Are you telling me that if 5 takes up one of the spaces in 6, I have 5 zeros in front of 5? Is that what you're saying? Because that's by saying 6, that's what you mean. So you need to look at it, and that will tell you what should be there for Z field. How many zeros are there in front of 5, including 5, and then you
3.
now count 5? Eh?
3. 3.
Uh-huh. So when you now count 5, how many spaces would that be altogether?
4.
Uh-huh. So why are you now saying 6? Check if that's what applies for the others. If 4 spaces will also cater for them. If 4 will cater for them, then that should be 4 and not 6.
Okay.
It's not a string, oh, it's an integer. It's an integer, it's not a string.
It's a oh.
You have to type your for loop again. You can't do what you just did now. You have to type the for loop before you now put all that inside the for loop.
So,
Mhm.
okay. Uh, you had some. I don't know what this one is here.
That one is there was because of there's no character before 5. That's why.
Okay. So the next one. Can I go to the toilet?
Huh?
Can I go to the toilet?
Make sure
I
that
just
you
want
don't
to.
stay long.
Yes, yes, yes.
Check your spelling of explode. In today's class, we explode. Did you read the question?
Yes.
It said, what will be the correct argument for the split method so that we can print this from inside a for loop similar to number 2? So that means you have another for loop in this one. It's just that it was not stated like that. So you have to do it like that too. So you have to do it in the way number 2 was done, not the way it was done before. So you need a for loop there. So you just think about it. Something is that is you are doing number 3 like number 2 is similar to that. You are calling some methods and you are giving a clue on the methods that you are calling. You call a few replace methods, and in addition to the center method. So the other one you are calling center method and zfill. This one you are calling replace method and center method.
Okay.
So do it like number 2. That's just what it's telling you.
Can I still use what?
Yes, you can still use it. It's not. So that word, the good thing about it is that once you leave the for loop where it was defined, it ceases to exist. So that's why you can reuse it over and over again. It's not like normal variable that once you use it, it's now existing and it's always like that.
Okay, so um since it's to split.
What's the problem? Why are you staying there?
Um,
Hmm? Why are you not moving? Why are you not going to the next line?
um, and I'm just confused what to put inside this.
What character is separating them that you want to split on? The other one, it was dollar sign. So what is the character that is separating these ones that you are splitting on? Hmm? Are you listening to me at all?
No, sorry, I didn't hear you.
I said, what character is between them that they're splitting on? Just like dollar sign was between those ones. What character is between these ones?
Um, it will that's between a hashtag.
Hashtag.
Yes,
So so this sentence that I saying like this has hashtag inside it.
oh no.
So where did you get hashtag from? Hashtag is
Because
what you use
uh,
for the center. It doesn't have anything to do with this one. What is the
yes,
character that is separating these guys?
space.
So why is it that you are, is that did that take you long to discover?
Mm,
So call your print method and do the same thing that you did for number two. Well, you now know the methods that you are calling. You are calling replace method and you are calling center method. Look at you. That means you are calling like two replace methods. So look at that WhatsApp very well to know what you are replacing. You remember, replace is we ask you to replace something with another thing. So look at that WhatsApp very well. You will know what you are replacing.
we need three replace.
Okay, what are you replacing?
We're replacing I, A, and O. Wait,
Okay,
I, no, I, A, O, and E. So we need four.
okay. So good thing you discovered it. So um, we call the four replace methods and then call one center method.
What this is,
Then you will call four replace methods and then call one center method.
yes, replace. Okay.
Continue now. It's in the same print statement you call it. Oh. You put another dot, call replace again. If you do it separately, it will not work. Your battery is not charging.
Yes, I'm good, sure.
Please don't get the charger quickly. Have you gotten the charger yet?
Okay, I'm back.
Okay. Is it charging now?
Yes.
Okay. So I can't see your taskbar. I hope you know that what you are doing is called chaining.
That is
Yeah, chaining, it means you know, just like a chain. A chain is something, a link that is connected to another link. So when you call methods one after another on the same line, on the same, you call the method on the result of another method, you know, that's what they call chaining. Okay, you're chaining them
yes.
together. It's like you're linking them together like a chain.
Okay, I did it. Okay, sir. I did it.
So call the center method now. Don't forget, if you forget to call the center method, you will not achieve anything. So you look as if you've not finished the work.
Okay. Wait. Okay.
Simeon, try and be fast. So we've gone beyond 1 hour. Hello, Simeon, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So the phone ran out. The phone is dead. I just want to get charger. I'm coming. You just right next to me.
There you go.
Okay, I'm here. Okay, so center, to the center, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, sir. It was a stop. Okay,
Are you
I
done?
got it. Yeah,
You
okay,
have to hit
so,
enter to execute it now.
Yes.
Hmm.
I
What
don't
have
think
you
it's
done
much.
now?
I don't know.
So why do you think it didn't work?
I didn't put it in.
You didn't put what?
I didn't like separate it.
It's not that you did not separate it. You used the wrong thing. The last time you did this thing, I told you when you're inside the for loop, you are not still using drill again. That was what I told you the first time. You changed drill to what? When you now came here, you still came and used sentence.
Oh,
Sentence,
sorry.
sentence is the full thing. You need the individual ones. That's what you needed. That's why it didn't work. Or that's why it looked like it didn't work. Ah, you did not copy the for loop. Oh.
Mm,
Simeon, be fast, please.
okay, I did it.
Did it work as expected?
Yes,
I don't think so. The first eye is still showing me eye, not one. In my own, that eye is one. So what happened?
mm,
So I
um,
think it's because that one was a capital letter, isn't it?
yes,
Okay,
okay,
there's no problem. So anyway, so if you wanted to achieve exactly what we had there, that means you should have made that IN. You understand? But it's okay. Maybe next time you would take note of that. Maybe that one is from the question. Would have made the I in today's class would have made it small letter. Or what we would have done is we'll call dot lower. You understand? We'll call sentence dot lower and make everything lowercase. Do you understand? Before we
yes,
now start doing the for loop and then the dot replace, everything will work perfectly.
yes,
Please, I keep saying this thing. When we end the class like this, yes, you will save the work, but after saving it, look at the code again, study it well. I don't have to give you notes all the time just because I want you to, take note of certain things. The code is another thing you can study and be very, um, good with it. Look at the code. Why is it doing what it's doing? See what you started with slicing today, and it was as if you were going to mess up slicing. Thank God that you got yourself back. Then these other ones, I still had to assist you with the methods. And then when you call the for loop, I told you that's a word for word in sentence. That word there, the this thing, that's variable there. It's called an iterator. And what it simply does is that the what comes after in is like an array. So by the time you call split on sentence, it's an array that will be created. And that array will have several items in it. So word will be each of those items one at a time. That's what is simply happening there. So
okay,
if you come and start calling sentence inside the for loop again, it will look as if, so why did you use word in the first place? And then you ignored it and started using sentence. So
okay,
you need to take note of those little things. That's why it looks like the homework, seems to be testing different aspects of your understanding on
But
string
sir,
method.
sir,
Yes.
for our class on Saturday,
What happened?
we had to go somewhere. We call it boys' club in our church.
Mm-hmm. So
So
what
and it's
happened? You
like,
will not be available on Saturday.
yes, but we can do our class like the time we're doing like 5:30 on Saturday.
It's okay. You'll be. Are you sure you'll be home by 5:30?
Um, if not, I'll probably, but I know I'll definitely be back by 6.
Okay. Just let me know. Keep me in the know. Send me a message if you will not make it by the time we agreed. So I should expect. I should expect that our class we are moving our class to 6 o'clock.
Yes, so yeah, I know when it's 6.
Just for
No,
Saturday, right?
yeah, just for Saturday.
Okay. But that means that whatever homework you are doing has to be done before that Saturday so that it's not that time you will now come and start rushing to do it, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Okay. All right. I'll send you something to do before that Saturday so that you would have some practice. Okay.
Okay,
So I
sir.
think we can call it a day. We have
What should I
said
call this for?
the name of the homework and then
I think
still
this
add
one is
string
8.
methods. Is it eight? Yes, it's eight. Yes. So Python homework
Okay.
eight. Still, then you now add string methods on it since it's practice with string methods or something. Remember to save it in the folder where you have the others, that you don't start looking for it later. You can just pick that Python homework 6 and change the 6 to 8.
Oh, I already
You
changed it.
understand? Then add string methods. Don't just type Python homework 8. String methods. What's the homework on? So it will help you to remember at a
Okay.
glance.
Okay, I did it.
Now study it. Look at it very well. Look at all the places where you made mistakes and take note of the mistakes before you close the file and shut down.
Okay, sir.
All right, so I'll send you something possibly tonight. Then try and find time and do it before Saturday.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I'll see you on Saturday
Bye,
then.
sir.
All right, goodbye.